All right, what's up, guys? Today's gonna be kind of quick because obviously I didn't see that much potential in the market this week, and I don't see much potential next week, which is kind of scaring me. I think we were trying to reach a bottom uh, this week, and it fell through Friday with Trump's trade war with Mexico. So I believe, we got another long way down, and we'll see what happens. I did open or still have a position with JMIA. This is the trend line that I established. If it breaks below that, then I'll sell out, but it's going pretty well right now. I honestly don't know where these buyers are coming from, but I'll take it. Also opened a position with NTCH. I actually opened it right here on this candle with an expectation for it to reverse. But again, on Friday, it gapped down, and I don't really know where it's going to go now. There is a decrease in volume, which means it could also reverse here. But so far, we'll see what happens. Also entered a position in UAL, but got stopped out. I entered right here on this hammer candle in hopes that that would establish some form of support with some high volume. And then this inverted hammer gave me a little more hope. And then again, Friday, every support was broken, so this gapped down significantly as well, and I got stopped out. What else? Okay. So the watch list is pretty small today, and there are a couple that I'm still watching, or we've already talked about, like last week, but we'll see. B, again, on the weekly, looks good. Inverted hammer, and then we have a doji hammer here. It still has to hold this support, and it looks like so far it has. And it has to break out of this downtrend. But this looks like a very good trade, and I'm really excited to get my skin into the game after, this really downside market. But we'll see what happens. If it holds, it holds, and then, I got to be patient. So, anyways, next is UAL. I still really like this pattern. I don't like where it is now. I did say in the previous couple weeks that it does slowly decrease the times that it hits the support. So it might honestly break through the support, and this long candle actually signifies it breaking through support. And this would be a pretty good shorting attempt, but I'm not really into shorting. I can short, but I don't know. It's not in my plan, and I'm not comfortable with it. So next is Cyber. This has been going up for a while now, and it's now reaching this resistant support that was resistance, and it's trying to establish it as support with this small downtrend, 4-day downtrend as well. What I want to see is it break out of this downtrend and continue to establish the support, and I'll buy in. Next is Coop. Coop is again, support is turning into resistance. It's reaching this old resistance level, trying to establish it as support. We'll see what happens if it bounces or if it breaks through. But the other thing I'm concerned about again is it has earnings. Let's see, it has earnings on the 3rd. So that's what? Wednesday. No, not Wednesday. Monday. We'll see what happens there. And And next would be XEL. Perfect. XEL. This is an energy company. Energy companies were doing fairly well during the beginning of this huge downturn. Now they took a pretty hard hit. It looks like it's losing some bearish momentum right here around the support line. We'll see what happens. But again, I mean, Friday just annihilated all supports. Everything. It seems like everything was at a support level, and with the announcement with the Mexican tariffs, all supports were just taken out immediately, and again broken down into another bearish confirmation. So we'll see what happens into the next week, but these are the things that I'm looking at. I'm very wary of entering other positions simply because I haven't seen any form of reversal at all. And I saw some attempts last week, and now it seems like we're right back to the beginning. So we'll see what happens. And as always, just be patient, and I'll see you guys Monday. See ya.